Small, thin Kitten in torn shoes, carrying himself with quiet dignity. Fox smirks, shiny boots gleaming, pointing at Kitten's shoes. "Look at those rags!" Crowd begins laughing. Crow giggles with crooked smile, clapping his wings. Heavy Bear slaps his knee, crowd joins the mockery. Head lowered, eyes teary, but silent. Lifts his shiny boots proudly, showing them to everyone. Sudden shift, sky turning gray, wind blowing. Streets flood, animals panic and slip. Boots sinking in muddy water, fear on his face. Splashing, yelling for help. Picks giant leaves, starts folding little boats. Relieved faces floating safely. Reaching out, shiny boots useless. Kitten turns away, Fox humiliated, crowd cheering Kitten.